Hey everyone, it's Susan with William Ryan Homes. I am standing in front of one of our quick move-in homes here in Riverview at our South Fork community. We have the Sweet Bay, which is one of our most popular 3-car homes. As you can see, it's got 3-car garages, like I just said. Beautiful front entry. Now we're gonna go inside and take a look. So you got a gorgeous 8-foot glass door. Does have the hurricane bolts in, so you can put your hurricane shutters that come included with this home. That's what these little guys are here. These are where you would put your hurricane shutters in, if you needed them. All right, let's go ahead and go inside. All right, when you walk in, you have a huge foyer. Kind of hard to see in the video, but you got a massive foyer here. If you turn into here, you got 2 bedrooms up front. This is bedroom number 1. Try to get to a corner to kind of give you a better space or show the bigger space. This is a nice size bedroom. It does have swing doors in lieu of the bifolds, which is normally an upgrade. And this also has 8-foot tall doors throughout the home, plus the 5 1/4 baseboards. Then you have another bedroom here. Kind of give you a little bit peek. Again, these are really nice sized bedrooms. They're just hard to tell in a video. This also has swing doors. Right off of those 2 bedrooms, you do have a full bathroom with ceramic tile in the shower niche, granite. And then over here is a linen closet right next to the bathroom. It's got about 4 shelves in there. All right, this is a huge great room style plan. So coming into the kitchen area, it's got a huge breakfast bar. And this is a gourmet kitchen upgrade with upgraded white cabinets. So you have the double oven, which is over here. You got your cooktop, microwave that vents out to the outside, which is what's behind that box there. You got upgraded crown molding, which is what you see. And you got the drawers underneath your cooktop. And then that's where your refrigerator, would go in that cabinet. And more cabinets, more countertops, 42-inch cabinets at that. Then you got your dishwasher, again, back to your bar that looks right out into your family room, and your 4 slider. And these are your soft close. So all your drawers are soft close. You even have a lazy Susan, which I'm trying to get that changed because I don't feel like Susans are lazy, but I'm working on that. And this also has a tube-in recycler. So it's got a ton of upgrades right just in the kitchen area itself. All right, so right off the kitchen is your breakfast nook. And then through here is your laundry room. And right on the other side of this garage door is what we call like a drop zone. So you have cabinets, countertops, kind of like a mud room if you're from up north. Drop your keys, your mail, backpacks, and then this leads right into your pantry, which is, oops, there we go. Very nice size pantry for this home. I mean, you got a ton of cabinets, a drop zone, and a walk-in pantry. And this is all right off the garage and goes right into your kitchen. So again, you got your kitchen that's right off your family room, and then right off the kitchen area, you have your formal dining. This is a very big room. So if you're into a lot of entertaining or anything like that, this will definitely hold it. This is a party house. Got your gourmet kitchen, big family room, everything's open. So if you're entertaining, everybody could be throughout the house, and yet your kitchen's gonna be the center of it. And like I said, you got these great big sliders that back up to nothing. I mean, it's just trees and nature. There is no backyard neighbors. So we're gonna go ahead and go out there and look at it. So this is right off the lanai. Nice big yard and very private. Nobody behind you. And your neighbor to the left already has a fence. And as they say, neighbors with fences make great neighbors. Master bedrooms right off the family room. It's got a lot of nice natural light and windows. Same thing, so out of your master, you look right into your backyard that has no rear neighbors. This is a huge master. Again, video just does not do its justice, but definitely look at the floor plan so you can see the dimensions of all the rooms. And then right off the master is your master bath that does have his and her sinks. So there's 1, 2. You have a linen closet in here as well. So you can see through here. Your water closet is through this door here. You know, just a water closet, nothing fancy. And then you have your garden tub and huge shower. Let's get this door out of the way. Again, a lot of natural light from your obscure glass. And this leads us right into the walk-in closet, which is very large. Will probably fit all my stuff. Not sure about my significant other.